Hello everyone, this is Roll from Winterbrose, and I got a quick question for you. Are you ready to have some fun? If you're a Daz Studio user, we are going to show you some really cool stuff to introduce you to Daz Scripting. Before we give you the overview of Volume 1, Introduction to Daz Scripting, we're going to show you really quick the Hello World script that we create in the series, in the 5 modules. Amongst a lot of technical information we'll present to you in an easy to digest manner so that it doesn't overwhelm you. And it includes this video series includes also a PDF, so you can either review the videos over and over, or you can look at the PDF for reference. So we're going to look at this Hello World script really quick we created here. We're going to double click it, and as you see, a nice little pop-up came up in Daz Studio. It says Hello World with an OK button, and that's one of the things we're going to demo in the introduction. And hopefully we'll create more volumes later for some more in-depth stuff in Daz Scripting. So let's go ahead and get into show you really quickly what's covered in Volume 1. This volume is going to consist of 5 different modules to introduce you to Daz Scripting and Daz Studio, and it'll show you a lot of different aspects of it from a beginner's standpoint, and we'll try to overwhelm you with all the technicalities, but we'll introduce you to stuff that you really need to know if you want to press on further into the Daz Scripting. Of course, Module 1 is going to be preparing Daz Studio, and in preparing Daz Studio, we're going to show you how to find the script IDE and set it up in Daz Studio so that you can actually create your own code, or you can program your own scripts if you want to call it that. And then we'll move on to Module 2, getting started, where we're going to show you how to actually begin creating your own scripts and where they're going to be saved. And here you can see we show the Hello World script. I'm going to show you how to create that so that you can start having a little fun right away. Then we're going to move on to Module 3, and in Module 3 we're going to show you some stuff to secure your code, how to keep it safe from prying eyes, or you can just keep it in the default Daz Scripting style, and you can share it with anybody you want. But if you do want to publish your code later on, once you get into it and you create some really cool utilities, you're going to be interested in encrypting your code so that only you know what's in it. Then we're going to move on to Module 4, which is debugging, and in the debugging module we're going to show you how to find errors and troubleshoot your code with some of the tools that are built into Daz Studio. And of course, you know, debugging comes from the original computers, which were all electromechanical devices, and they actually had some errors because they were hardwired, and they found a bug in there. So when they removed the bug, everything started working again in the original computers, and that's why they came up with the term debugging. Kind of interesting. And then in Module 5 we'll move over into handling data. We'll explain to you some things like what a variable is and a constant is, so that you can use names, numbers, and dates inside your scripting code as you move down the road and further develop it. We hope we've piqued your interest in the Scripting Made Simple series to teach you how to create your own Daz Script code in Daz Studio, and we hope at some point in the future to release a volume called Secrets of Phrase Maker to show you some of the scripting tricks and tips that we used in it to make it such a successful product. Thanks again for watching this video. Visit our website or the link below to see if you want to read more about Daz Scripting, Volume 1, which is Introduction to Scripting. Thank you very much.